Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we know a fifth lesson, a different kind of schools. So, here the title tells us about Miss Beam's school is a different kind of school. So, the author wants to visit the school and he wants to know about the school. Before the reading of the lesson, let us know about the points or describing about the lesson. So, meaning of these words are bandage. So, bandage means a strip of cloth. Next, crutch, a long stick used to support walking, especially physically disabled people. Next, cripple, severely damaged. Honor, respect. Misfortune, unlucky or bad luck. System, a method or way. So, next, paragraph number first. I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school, but not till last week did the chance come to visit it. So here the author was said to the readers, Miss Beam's school was very famous and different also, but not till the last week he did not get chance to visit the school. So author from the last week he did not get chance to visit the school, so he want to visit the school and know about what the school is special for. So the next paragraph, when I arrived there was no chance in sight, but a girl of about 12, her eyes were covered with a bandage and she was being led carefully between the flower beds by a little boy who was about 4 years younger. She stopped, and it looked like she asked him who had come. He seemed to be describing me to her, then they passed on. So, when the author arrived the school, there was nobody in the school, only he is. When author was arrived the school, there was nobody in the school. So, he is seeing, he was saw a girl about 12 years. She covered her with eyes bandage, and there was a boy about 4 years younger than her. He was led the girl carefully towards the flower beds. Means he help the girl towards to go to garden. Suddenly she is stopped and asked him to someone who is coming. So he is there coming. So the boy was describing her, then the author to her, and they passed. So the boy seems to describing someone coming here, and then they passed. Next, third paragraph. Miss Beam was all that I had expected, middle-aged, full of authority, yet kindly and understanding. Her air was beginning to turn grey, and she had the kind of plump figure that is likely to be comforting to a homesick child. I asked her some questions about her teaching methods, which I had heard was simple. So in the next paragraph, author was describing Miss Beam. She was middle-aged woman. She was the head of the school, and her hair was turned to grey color. So means it was showing that Miss Beam seems to like old-aged woman. Next, Miss Beam had a plump figure. It means she was homesick child. Then the author asked about some questions about the teaching methods, especially for challenged children. Next, in the fourth paragraph, no more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things. Simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and writing. The rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talks during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. There are practically no other lessons. So, in the fourth paragraph, Miss Beam was replied to the author simply they were we were teaching the topics like spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying and writing. These simple topics we are teaching to the physically or visually challenged children. And the rest of the time, so what the other time they have, we are telling interesting stories to them because we want to quiet their hands, but we are not teaching practically any lessons to them. So here they are physically unsupported, so they were not practically teach any other subject. Next, in fifth paragraph, the real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought has to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to others, and being responsible citizens. Look out of the window a minute, will you? I went to the window which overlooked a large garden and a playground at the back. What do you see? Miss Beam asked. So next, Miss Beam was said to author, her school aim is not to teach a thought, but they are teaching thoughtfulness, kindness to others. So the main aim of the Miss Beam school is teaching a physically unable children thoughtfulness and then kindness to others, and made them as a responsible citizen in the world. So she said to him, you look out of the window for a minute, you know that. So the author went near the window and looked out a large garden and a background at the back. Then Miss Beam asked the author, what do you see? So what the author see in the garden, we will know in the next video. Thank you, children.